Here is further affirmation why I love email marketing and believe it is so incredibly important for you to use this to stay in front of the people who've expressed some sort of interest for you. Let me paint the story here. So there was a guy who attended my social media class in July of last year. That is now 11 months ago, this guy attended my class. Ever since then, he's been in my email list. He didn't request a consultation. He didn't request to talk to me after this class. He just attended the class. And then he entered my CRM, where I then continue to stay in front of people via email marketing. I want you to see how many emails this guy has opened. Look at this. Opened. I mean, he's opened like so many of my emails. And if you keep scrolling through, because I send an email once a week, if you scroll through, he's opened a majority of them. And finally, he saw a specific email, don't know which one it was. I probably should have asked, reached out to me and was like, all right, I need help with social media. Let's go. Let's do it. I love it. I love it. If this does not prove that email marketing is so important to stay in front of your contacts until they're ready to do business with you, I don't know what does. If you need help in figuring out what to email your potential leads, your potential clients, let me know in the comments below or send me a DM. I'd love to chat with you about it.